Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Today we're going to talk about how to maintain your car to keep it running well by Carhelpout, local independent certified mobile mechanic for auto car repair, roadside assistance, and pre-purchase used vehicle buying inspection service, who will come or travel to you at any location. Want your car to last longer, look better, and save money? Today, we're sharing the essential car care secrets every driver should know. These simple habits separate a reliable car from one that's always in the shop. Whether you're a daily commuter, a busy parent, or a rideshare driver, these tips will keep your vehicle in top shape without breaking the bank. Let's dive in and make you the car owner every mechanic wishes for. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. The foundation of car care is regular maintenance. Follow your manufacturer's schedule in the owner's manual. Oil changes are crucial. Fresh oil keeps your engine running smoothly and prevents costly damage. Replace engine air filters regularly and cabin air filters regularly for better performance and cleaner air. Rotate your tires and get brake inspections to ensure safety and save money. Pay attention to dashboard warning lights. They're your car's way of asking for help. Don't ignore small issues. They can quickly become expensive repairs. Stay on top of these basics for a long, healthy vehicle life. Some car care tasks are easy DIY win, like checking tire pressure, topping off washer fluid, and changing wiper blades. These simple jobs save money and keep your car safer. But know your limits. Leaks, strange noises, or warning lights mean it's time to call a pro. Don't risk bigger problems by guessing. Smart car owners handle the basics and trust experts for the rest. Learn what you can, but never hesitate to get professional help when needed. That's how you keep your car running strong. Address repairs. Promptly procrastination turns small fixes into big, expensive problems. A minor leak or squeaky brake pad is cheap to fix now, but costly if ignored. Build a relationship with a trustworthy mechanic for regular inspections. Preventative care keeps your car reliable and avoids surprise breakdowns. For those who rely on their car for work, this is even more critical. Fix issues early, and your wallet will thank you. Detailing isn't just for looks. It protects your car's value. Hand wash with the 2-bucket method to avoid scratches. Apply wax a few times a year to shield paint from sun and weather. Keep the interior clean by vacuuming and wiping down surfaces. A tidy car is more enjoyable and worth more when you sell. For tough stains or deep cleaning, consider a professional detailer. Don't overlook the small stuff. Window tint protects interiors, and tire dressing prevents cracking. Regularly check all your lights for safety and avoid tickets. Replace bulbs as needed. It's usually a quick DIY job. Before long trips, get a professional pre-trip check for peace of mind. These finishing touches show you care and keep your car in top condition. Great car owners sweat the details. Smart car care is about spending wisely and staying proactive. Stick to maintenance, fix problems fast, keep things clean, and trust the pros when needed. These habits save money and stress for years to come. Share your tips or questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care advice. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the ride. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.